Welcome to Home Tip Tuesdays. My name is Brandon with Remax Results, and today's home tip is replacing the air filter on your furnace. So here's what your furnace looks like. Now, the way that your furnace works is that it takes in air from throughout the home, it heats it up within the furnace, and then the blower fan inside of it blows it throughout the entire home so that you have warm air all throughout your house. Now, the role that the air filter plays is that while it's sucking in all of that air from throughout the home, the air filter is going to catch all of those contaminants like hair molecules, dust, and all that other kind of stuff that you don't want blowing back in your home. Now, the reason why you want to make sure that you're changing out your air filter ever so often is because, one, what I just stated, you don't want all that nasty stuff blowing back in your house. And two, if that air filter does get too dirty, you could end up overheating your blower fan, and that's something that you do not want to happen, especially in this Minnesota cold. So all you got to do to get to your air filter is remove the panel on the bottom of your furnace, and you'll see the air filter sitting right there. All you got to do is slide it right out. You can see this one's pretty dirty. You take your new air filter, and when you're putting it in, make sure you're putting the right side up. There should be a little arrow on there that tells you which side should be up. And when you're sliding it back in, you got to match it up to the little grooves that are on the side, so it may take a little bit, but once it's in, just make sure it's nice and flush. And then you can go ahead and put that panel back on and make sure everything's secure. You're good. Replacing the air filter in your furnace is one of the cheapest and easiest things that you can do as a homeowner, but it can also have the biggest negative financial impact if you don't do it as often as you're supposed to. Now, general rule of thumb, you should be changing your air filter at least every 1 to 3 months, with the 1 month mark being more so in the winter when you're using your furnace more often. And that is it for this week's home tip. If you have any additional questions, I'll leave my information below. You can contact me anytime. But other than that, I'll see you guys next Tuesday.